In Indian polity, we are going to discuss about overseas citizenship of India. First, we have to know the meaning of OCI. OCI is a form of permanent residence which is available to the people of Indian origin. Okay, so the people who are living in abroad but have the roots of India. Okay, so they will get the OCI and they can live and work in India. Okay. On this point, in September 2000, Government of India, that is Ministry of External Affairs, had set up a high-level committee on Indian diaspora. Diaspora means emigration. It means the people who are migrated from India to other country and they got the citizenship of other country and they settled in foreign country. Okay? And the chairman of this committee was L.M. Singhvi. And the main work is to make a comprehensive study of the global Indian diaspora. Okay, and another work is to recommend measures for a constructive relationship with them. Okay, and it submitted its report in 2002 and it given some recommendations. First one is it recommended the amendment of the Citizenship Act 1955. Okay, and it recommended to give the dual citizenship to the persons of Indian origin, that is PIOs, belonging to certain specified countries, not all countries. It said that only specified countries will give the permission of the OCI. Okay, it means only for the persons of Indian origin. Okay, next one is Citizenship Amendment Act 2003. It made provision for acquiring OCI, Overseas Citizenship of India, by PIOs, persons of Indian origin, only for the 16 specified countries except Pakistan and Bangladesh. Okay? And one more thing is Citizenship Amendment Act 2003. It repealed Commonwealth Citizenship from Principal Act. Okay? So it repealed the Commonwealth Citizenship from the Citizenship Act 1955. Okay? And another amendment act is Citizenship Amendment Act 2005. Okay, it expanded the scope of OCI to all the countries. Okay, in the previous act only 16 specified countries except Pakistan and Bangladesh. Okay, in 2005 Amendment Act it expanded the scope and it extended to all the countries except Pakistan and Bangladesh. Okay, and it also said OCI is not under the dual citizenship. Okay, and this never ever affect the article 9. Okay, according to article 9 of the Indian constitution is no person shall be a citizen of India or to be deemed to be a citizen of India if he has voluntarily acquired the citizenship of any foreign state. Okay, so if any person has voluntarily acquired the foreign citizenship, his or her Indian citizenship will be seized. Okay, according to Article 9. That's why this OCA citizenship is not come under the dual citizenship. Okay, because India is following single citizenship. Okay. Next amendment act is the Citizenship Amendment Act 2015. Actually, it was modified the provision of OCA. Okay, it introduced a new scheme called Overseas Citizen of India Cardholder. Okay, by merging of PIO card scheme and OCI card scheme. Overall, one cardholder, that is Overseas Citizen of Indian Cardholder. Okay. PIO card scheme, persons of Indian origin card scheme, introduced in 19th August 2002. Okay, and OCI card scheme is introduced in 2nd December of 2005. Okay, they were merged and new scheme called OCI Citizen of India Cardholder. Okay, only one single scheme by merging of PIO and OCI card schemes. Okay, why government merged these two schemes into one scheme? Because of the confusion of applicants. That's why the government taken decision for the merging of the two schemes into one scheme. Okay, so PIO card holders became OCI card holders from 9th Jan 2015 onwards. Okay, first one is registration of OCI card holder. Okay, coming to the qualifications. If any person of a full age and capacity who is a citizen of another country but was a citizen of India at the time or at any time after the commencement of the constitution. Okay, this is the one qualification of the person who wants the OCI card holder. Okay, and another qualification is a person, if any person of full age or capacity who is a citizen of another country, but he was eligible to become a citizen of India at the time of the commencement of the constitution. Okay, and if any person of full age or capacity who is a citizen of another country but belonged to a territory that became a part of the India after the independence. Okay, so a person who is belonged to the territory that became a part of the India after 15th August 1947. Okay, he will get the OCI card. Okay, and a person who is a child or grandchild or a great grandchild of a citizen of India, so that particular child also will get the OCI card. Okay, and a person who is a minor child of a citizen, so that person also will get the OCI card. Okay, and a person who is a minor child whose parents are citizens of India or one of the parents is a citizen of India, so that particular person will get the OCI card. Okay, if Indian citizen married foreigner, so they will also get the OCI card if their marriage has been registered, and before making the application they should live in India for 2 years, not less than 2 years. Okay, so they will also get the OCI card. And central government may specify the date from which the existing persons of Indian origin cardholders shall be deemed to be OCI cardholders. So the central government may give some instructions to this OCI cardholders. Okay, and not withstanding anything contained in the above conditions, if central government may specify, if it is satisfied that a special circumstances exist, so, after recording those circumstances in writing and registered a person as an OCI cardholder. Okay, so there is no condition fulfilled, but the central government may specify to give that particular OCI cardholder, so it may give. Okay. Second one is conferment of rights on overseas citizen of India cardholder. Okay, so OCI cardholder will get the rights which are given by the central government. Okay, so the central government may specify in this behalf. So the central government will give some rights to those people who have OCI card. Okay, and OCI card holder will not get the rights. Those are equality of opportunity in public employment, and he is not eligible for elections as president, and he is not eligible for the elections as vice president, and he is not eligible for the appointment of judges as Supreme Court or High Court, and he shall not be entitled for registration as a voter, and he shall not be eligible for being a member of the House of the People or a Council of State, it means lower house or upper house, and he shall not be eligible for being a member of the State Legislative Assembly or State Legislative Council. Okay, he shall not be eligible for appointment to public services. Okay, and he is not eligible for the post under the central government or state government. Okay, third one is renunciation of OCI card. Okay, if any OCI card holder declares renunciation of his OCI card in prescribed manner, so the declaration shall be registered by central government. Okay, so whenever the central government will be done the registration of his declaration, the person's OCI card will be seized. Okay, so the person who renounced his OCI card, his spouse also will lose the OCI card. Okay, and their minor child also will lose the OCI card. Okay, fourth one is cancellation of registration as OCI card holder. Okay, so the central government may cancel the registration of a person as OCI card holder if the registration of OCI card holder was obtained by means of fraud or false representation or a false material fact. Okay, And a OCI card holder has shown disaffection or disloyalty towards the Constitution of India. So that particular person will lose the OCI card. The central government may cancel. Okay, and a OCI card holder unlawfully traded or communicated with an enemy of India during a wartime. Okay, and if OCI card holder within 5 years after registration and not less than 2 years if he has been sentenced to the imprisonment, and his registration of OCI card will be cancelled. Okay, if it is necessary so to do in the interest of the sovereignty and integrity of the India and security of India, so the central government may cancel the registration for the upholding of a sovereignty, integrity and security of the India. And the central government may cancel the registration of a OCA card holder for the friendly relations of India also.